Yo, it's your boy Nanu Garage. I hope you guys are all doing well. Sorry for the lack of uploads lately, but we got a banger video today. You might be able to see something special with the car I'm sitting in. I think you see the F logo. That's Lexus's just highest tier model that you can get. GSF Lexus. As you can see, this thing is so sick. Got carbon all in the interior, the blue stitching, all that good stuff. Alcantara everywhere. And you guys may be asking, whoa, I did not expect you to get a Lexus. Why are you getting it? This car actually isn't mine, but it is going to be on the channel for a little while, maybe for the next week or two. The owner actually just dropped off the car to me and told me I can go ahead and take it, rip it around, and just live with it for the next week. So we'll do a week-long review of it, what it's like to live with the Lexus GSF. But it got some new wheels. You may have seen it a long time ago on a YouTube video, but now it has new wheels and it's lowered, so it's looking real nice. 5-liter V8, that's how it's sitting on those wheels. Carbon fiber up front over here, and it's just honestly a really nice, smooth, comfortable car. But let's go ahead and hop in and just check that out. It looks so nice, like the whole interior of this car, like they did a really good job, and these seats are super crazy. Anyways, let's go ahead and start the engine. Woo! And then we're just gonna go straight 2 flicks right, which is gonna put us in our Sport Plus mode. As you can see over here, TVD, we're gonna put in our track mode. Press the traction control button to have it in our expert mode. Let's rock and roll. Let's go ahead and rip this thing around. We put our torque vectoring differential into track mode. It's in expert mode because I hit the traction control off button. It's in Sport Plus. Let's go ahead and slap it over to this way so it's in our manual mode too. And yeah, let's crack the windows and send. It is low now, so we got to take some angles going places, but quick little tunnel blast. I mentally just kind of shift a little bit too early in this car, but man, it definitely is no slouch. It definitely is cool. It could be a little bit louder. They filter in sound through the cabin, so you may have noticed through the tunnel run, it really wasn't that loud. In fact, I think my Raptor is almost as loud. Let's go ahead and just click the button here to put it into our normal mode, and our traction control kicked back on, I guess. But it's so smooth. Now I can just comfortably just chill and do whatever. Turn off the traction control again. Put it in this mode, and then we can also do this. Let's go ahead and do a 50 roll. And then look, I can downshift again just because you want to be high up in the RPM band. Like, you don't even notice, but when you're cruising like that, like, oh, I'm at this speed, I feel like I should just punch it from this gear, but I could really be in another gear down. But honestly, the most surprising part about it is the transmission. Whenever I want the shift, I literally get the shift. Like, I'm surprised more people didn't really talk about this in the GSF. But then we have our Sport Plus, normal, and then sport mode. Let's keep it in our sport mode for now, actually. We'll go ahead and hold our traction control button. Please turn off. There we go. Traction control is now off. Yeah, that's pretty fun. And I like this. This dash is better than the Sport Plus mode. Look, it's like the LFA one. Do you see that? That's literally like the Lexus LFA. I really do wish that Lexus could have put a little bit of a faster motor. I know that this car's intent is just to be a comfortable car that could go fast, but if this motor had 100 more horsepower, I think I would legitimately just obsess over it. But right now, it's just a very comfortable daily that could go fast, and especially with all that's done to it with the suspension and the new wheel setup. Just if it had that 100 more horsepower, I think it would be able to just kick out the back end everywhere, but I can't seem to get the back end to really safely kick out with this kind of power that it has without giving it a brake stand beforehand. So let me know what you guys thought of the video. Make sure you guys all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We yeah, if you guys want to give me your car for a little while to rip around in, I would greatly appreciate it, and I'll take you up on the offer. So let me know down below in the comments section. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
You see a carku, call the cops, boy. AK all day, body start to drop, boy. Bamba jinya beaten, sari diyan streetan. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy. They're